free agency deal went the other direction, then we could have seen a very different NBA today. In 2019, the Sixers had enough room to either give Tobias Harris or Jimmy Butler a good contract, and they chose Toby, signing him to a 5-year, $180 million deal, which has not paid off. I mean, Jimmy, on the other hand, has gone to the NBA Finals and made 2 more All-Star games than Tobias. Well, if things went a little differently, maybe we would have been seeing a different team carrying the Larry O right now.